Poco M2 Pro enters the mid-segment market to shake things up. With its 33 watts fast charging, quad cameras and a good processor, it takes on the Redmi Note 9 Pro and the Samsung M21. Now if you are in the market to buy a phone under 15K and are confused between these three options, we are here to help. We will compare all three and tell you which is your best bet under 15,000 rupees. Design. While all three phones are good to look at, the Gorilla Glass 5 construction of the Redmi Note 9 Pro and Poco M2 Pro pulls ahead. These two phones are very similar in design and construction, however the split design on the Poco M2 Pro looks unique and stands out on its own. Display. The Poco M2 Pro and the Redmi Note 9 Pro have the same 6.7-inch display with the same resolution, while the Samsung M21 has a smaller display but comes with a Super AMOLED screen. Samsung M21 wins the point here. Performance. In terms of performance, Poco and Redmi phones are powered by Snapdragon 720G. The M21 comes with Exynos 9611. The Snapdragon processor is faster compared to the Exynos 9611. While all the phones start with 4GB and 64GB base model, Poco gives three options to choose from. Battery. This is one of the major points in this comparison. The Poco M2 Pro comes with a 5000 mAh battery with 33 watts fast charging. The Redmi Note 9 Pro has a 5020 mAh battery with 18 watts fast charging, and the Samsung M21 has a large 6000 mAh battery with 15 watts fast charging. The 33 watts fast charging gives the Poco M2 Pro an edge here. Camera. And now for the optics. Both Poco M2 Pro and the Redmi Note 9 Pro have a quad camera setup. However, the M2 Pro has better camera configuration. The M21 comes with triple rear cameras and clicks good shots too. In terms of the selfie shooter, the M21 goes with a 20 megapixel lens, while the Poco M2 Pro and the Redmi 9 Pro go with a modest 16 megapixel camera. Price. The Poco M2 Pro and the Redmi Note 9 Pro both are priced at starting at 13,999 rupees for the base model. The Samsung M21 is priced starting at 14,499 rupees. And now for the verdict. All three phones pack in a punch. They're good to hold and offer a seamless experience, but the Poco M2 Pro takes the cake here with 33 watts fast charging, better performance and better construction. And even though it has a smaller battery, 5000 mAh is enough to last you more than a full day of heavy use.